Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little words pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you.
Mama said to me, we got a happy life run right. Off you go to school where you could learn the rules, they're right. Be just like your dabbling father when it seems tradition. Never go astray and stay an honest, loving son. Son of my father, fooling always free from drive. Son of my father, commanded always branded in a plastic craft, surrounded and confounded by statistic facts. Tried to lift me in, but I jumped down off my skinny time. I was scrutinized and ready alibi signs. So I left my home, I'm really on my own at last. Left the past and separated from the past. Son of my father, fooling always free from drive. Son of my father, commanded always branded in a plastic craft, surrounded and confounded by statistic facts.
Mau pergi tengok pelepasan penyu, anak penyu ke laut. InsyaAllah kita dapat saksikan hari ni. Saya belum pernah tengok lagi. Pernah makan telur penyu pernah dulu satu kali. Tapi penyu real,
Tengok penyunya.
anaknya belum tengok lagi.
Ya.
Bapaknya banyak, ibu-ibunya banyak.
I know
Mantap, fresh. Sangat sedap.